I need to edit the transform of this by 1 pixel. This should be 24 pixels, not 25. But yes, good morning, everybody. It's weird actually starting at a reasonable time, but hey, here we are. I hope everyone's having a good day today. It is 9 in the morning, and hopefully it's going to be this way for the next week. I need to get Unpaid CEO made, ideally kind of this week. So I'm going to be basically streaming every day to get that done. That's the plan, at least. Yeah. So going to be getting a lot of stream work done. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Unpaid CEO is looking to be a fun game. I just need to double check Teams to make sure I don't need message anyone. Message, click. That's fine. Where is... There it is. Okay. Check for info on the showcase. Like, who do I need to inform to make sure I can put something on display? Cool. So yes, the plan for today is basically, if I can get all the design work done, that would be absurd, but it would be perfect. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, designing the entire game. I think there's a chance I can get a good chunk done, which would be nice, get a good chunk done. So, let me switch screens. Let me just go into studio mode, full screen, and then let me restart the display capture. Perfect. So yes, let's pick up where we left off last time, which was Wednesday, I want to say. Yeah, so this is kind of where we were at. I was kind of bouncing around some ideas originally, but cool, that's cool. Did not know I could do that. I was originally just bouncing around some ideas, which we then used to get to where we're at now, where, no, not that. No, I wanted to move it again. I didn't know how I did that. I just wanted to select everything. Yeah, so we were kind of bouncing around some ideas, which eventually got us reminding me of a game called Unpaid CEO, which is a game we had designed, early on, I believe. I just want to move everything down. It's a bit high. There it is. That's better. Yeah. So we then started working on Unpaid CEO, noting some stuff down, noting down some ideas of what we wanted, marking out kind of how I wanted the screens to look. This is very dodgy. And yeah, so this is kind of where we were at. I thought of some things since then, some things I want to change, some things I want to add, improve, what have you. I think first of all, the first thing I want to do is I want to write down a bit more about these, because this is very much just thrown in. So I want to actually put a bit more detail into the tasks. First of all, I want to split it up like how Keep Talking Nobody Explodes have it, because they have their normal tasks, but they also have needy tasks. I'm very much taking inspiration from Keep Talking. And one of those, I was talking with someone yesterday, and I came up with the idea of a needy task being emailing the board. And you've got to like keep going back and forth. So that's going to be a back and forth where you've got to keep going to your email and make sure that it's all right. But yeah, so I just wanted to add that. But I think the first thing I need to do is write down a gameplay loop. I'm just gonna... That should be fine. Yeah. That's gonna be a dark blue, center back. There we go. Just wanting to section stuff out, really. I should probably do this on something else, like Figma, which I might shift to, honestly. Figma would make a lot of sense. Let me have a quick look at switching over to Figma. Figma. Just kind of getting that like design stuff would be nice. Install next launch. Okay, no, cool. I'm just seeing there's nothing where it's gonna like throw my email in my face or something. What was I wanting to do? I'm trying to remember specifically why I was gonna start using... Oh, yes, I was gonna do a gameplay loop. That's it. Okay. Let me just make a fig jam. Cool. Fuck off, I don't need AI. Yes, I don't need AI though. I don't need it. Cool. Oh, I forgot to change the transform on this screen as well. Right click, transform, edit transform. Change that to 24. Oh, I did not want to do that. I want it to be like a square. Like that. Or it might be nicer just to have it as a... And then if I extend it out... There we go. That's nicer. Cool. Now let me just move that there. Let me just bounce around the scenes, just moving that around. There we go. Perfect. What even is... Oh, that's my Discord. Trying to find a good place to throw this. I can throw it down here in the corner. Perfect. Cool. So yes, Figma. You may not have used it. I have. That's a great way to introduce it. You can use it for design and stuff. It's pretty useful. Just zooming my camera in a bit. Nice. And then, what are you selecting? Wacky ass software. Display, capture. Yeah, so I'm just going to shift everything over to here real quick. There we go. Let me open the tab I was using. I'll just open it on this screen down here, and then I can just copy stuff over. So, first we had this, and then this, back off, and then this, and then this, and then I don't think I'm going to be able to copy all this, but I'll try. No, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I'll take a screenshot of this. Like that. Then drop it in. There we go. Cool. So we got everything in from that original kind of file onto here now, which is kind of what I wanted. Let me just sort everything out. Perfect. So, what I want to make now is gameplay loop. So I kind of know what, like, how... It's the loop of gameplay. I'm not sure how to describe it. But it's going to be important. It's going to be useful to have. So yeah, I'm going to start off with that. So, kind of, I think what the idea is it's okay. You start with the start of the day. So, start of day. And then the next thing, I guess, so you start the day off. What's the first thing you will do after starting a day? I guess that would be get a task. Get given task. So once you get given a task, then what? You get given a task. Would that look nice if I went to the top? No, because I'm going to move this here. So you get given a task. Then, after you get given a task, you will have to work, I guess complete task. Complete task. And then that can go there, but also, yeah, at the same time, you will just get given more tasks. Okay. Oh, what the hell? No, I did not. What I hit? There. Okay, so you get given a task. So the day starts. You get given a task. You then complete the task. What happens? Okay. I guess increase metrics. I guess that's successfully complete the task. And then I guess day ends. And then after the day ends, what would count up missed tasks, and then after you've counted up the missed tasks, you'll this is why we need to do it, because it's going to be an order of operations for like everything, so it's going to be important. I guess evaluate complete tasks. Evaluate day's work. Okay, because at the end of the day you're gonna get a grade in, which is gonna affect your numbers basically, and then I guess it'll loop back. I'm gonna get rid of this line here because I don't know. You can like, based off kind of what I'm thinking, you'll be able to get a task at like any time. So it doesn't make sense to like just put it there. You can move. You're messing up my lineup. Damn. Funky, eh? There we go. thank you. There we go, thank you. Please don't give me so much fuss next time. Okay, and then instead of increase metrics, I'll say affect metrics. Affect metrics. Oh, this is what I should have done. I should have done that. Oh, I should just do it like this. Oh, does it want me to shift? Yeah, shift. Okay, so you get a task, you complete the task, then it affects your metrics, and then I guess that will just keep looping, and then eventually the day ends, at which point it evaluates the day's work. Where did I have it? Like there. Okay. And move this so it's actually on top. Like so. Just move this like so. That's about equal. There we go. And then I want that kind of lined up with that, like so, yeah. Okay. So this is kind of what we've got so far. I feel like this is missing stuff though, which is kind of my thing. So I definitely feel like there's stuff I need to add to this. Why does that not look lined up? I don't know why, it just really doesn't look lined up for some reason. Cause oh, it is. Oh, it's just the stuff on either side of it which makes it look not lined up. That's 4 dots, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Can you move these over by 2? Like that? No, that's too little. Just like there. Is that what I wanted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's better. Not perfect, but it's better. There we go. That works. Cool. Okay. So the day starts. You get given a task. You then have to complete that task. Once you've completed a task, that will affect your numbers, affect your metrics, and you can get given another task. But this should be able to happen at any time. Like, during the loop. I mean, I could also just, put another, like, I can always link it in, I guess. But I don't, like I said, I don't want to just have a line going any time, like every time. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift this down more, because, God, for fuck, line up, for the love of God. This is my problem with some apps sometimes, like the way they get you to align stuff, it's like it hits off so much different stuff that it just becomes an issue. Like when it's like doing guidelines for stuff. can be very annoying. There we go. I don't even need to have this lined up. It's just annoying. It feels annoying if I don't. And then I'm going to say work on task. Work on task. So that's going to be what you'll spend most of the time doing. You'll spend most of your time actually working on completing the task. And then that makes more sense to say you can get given another task at the same time. It might be a good idea to say, no, okay, I think this is your standard. His work. I want to put another one of like C final days numbers or something. Show end of day metrics. Like that. Okay. That's looking a bit better. I'm liking that a bit more. Is it because I've got that on the end of it? No, the other side just looks longer. Why? Guess it just does. Yeah, that's better. Come on. There we go. Why is that dot so big? Oh my lord. I'll just do that. Then, okay, perfect. So I just kind of want to signal it like this is the end. This is the end. No, not like that. Not so morbidly. Okay. Cool. I'm happy with this. I think that's in general a pretty good loop, which covers a lot of the stuff. Next, I kind of want to spend some time finalizing like mechanics, which I think is kind of an important part. If I can get all the mechanics finalized, so we can do that. So, mechanics. I'm going to zoom in. So, first, we'll have the tasks. Which we will have normal tasks, needy tasks. I'm just stealing the word needy from Keep Talking. And emergencies. Emergencies. So, normal tasks are normal. I don't know kind of what else to say. Needy tasks. Keep going back to them while completing other tasks. I need to make this longer. Why are you not just being longer? There we go. Be as long as you want. And then emergencies are forced to certain amount of time to complete. Failure means day ends early. Okay. Then what else is there going to be? So there's going to be tasks. What other mechanics are going to be in the game? I guess time. So I was thinking of doing 5 days Not 5 nights, 5 days. Mon to Friday. I'll say Monday to Friday. I can write 3 extra letters per Monday to Friday. And then I was thinking, what, 8 hours? So what? That'd be like 9 to 5. 9 to 5. But the equivalent to that would be like, I was going to say 1 minute is every second. So if I did a minute a second, 1 minute is equal to 1 second. Or would it be 1 second equal to a minute? 1 second of our time is 1 minute of their time. Which would mean that each day is 8 minutes long. What if I did every 3 seconds is equal to 5 minutes? That might be a bit longer, like a bit better. Where is calculator? Okay. What would that be? So 60 times 8. So there's 4 80 minutes in a day. And then yeah. So if I divide that by 5, I'm trying to figure my order of operations here. Yeah. So there's 96 lots of 5 minutes. Times that by 3 is 288. Divide that by 60 would be 4.8 minutes. So just under 5 minutes. What is 0.8 times 60? 48 seconds. 4 minutes 48 seconds. So something that's just around 5 minutes seems a lot better to me. Because I don't want it to be too long. I don't want the days to be too long. Because if the days are too long, then I feel like it's going to go on for ages. Oh, I have my music doubling up. Whoops. I just noticed. The audio would have been basically overlapped though, so probably could have noticed, but it wouldn't have been too obvious. My bad. Okay. And then there's gonna be the metrics. So there's gonna be 3 kind of metrics. Stock price. There's gonna be employee count. And then satisfaction. Cool. So, employee count at the start of the day. Stock price will be lowered equivalent to number of employees. So that's you paying them for the day. Oh, I should say at the end of the day. I'll make that happen at the end of the day. But also, the more employees you have, the higher your stock rises per task complete. So I guess stock price is going to be I guess that would be kind of like task multiplier times by employee count. Employee count equals stock increase, stock change, I guess. That's probably how I'll do it. So like when you complete a task, that's then multiplied by the number of employees you have, which will then up your stock. So if you do like a basic task, but you've got like 2 employees, and it's only going to go up a bit. But if you have 200 employees, then it's going to go up a lot. But that's going to come with the drawback of more employees means more tasks, because there's going to be more for you to do. Which I guess if we take away hiring and firing people from a task and instead make it something you can do of your own volition, I think that might be better. So making it so hiring and firing people isn't a task, but instead like something you can do of your own accord, but that would then take stock price. Okay. I'm gonna have to get a drink in a second. Lower the satisfaction, the more likely it is for employees to quit their job. Okay. This is good progress. This is good progress. I'm gonna get a drink real quick. I'll be back in a second. I just really need a drink. Cool. I'm back. Just put my glass down. Where's BRB? There it is. Cool. And I'm back. I'm just gonna quickly just... Where is it? Not a video. Is it an output? Okay. So, I'm just having quickly watched a number change on my end. If you give me one moment. Cool. Okay. Back to what I was doing. I think this is good so far. We have kind of our initial bit over here of just throwing stuff out there, which worked out quite well. I don't know why this one was shorter than the rest. That lined up for a second with something. I'm trying to figure out what. Oh, like that. There you go. Sure. No, that is not lined up in the slightest. There you go. Cool. Hello, Shane. How's it going? Good morning. Alright, I guess. Good. Very early stream. Yeah, it's probably going to be early streams this entire week. I'm probably going to be... So my current plan is kind of stream 9 till 12:30, have an hour lunch break, then come back at 1:30, then stream till 3:30, maybe even further, 5. I just want to kind of lock in and get a lot of this done, and I wanted to stream most, if not all of this, which is why I'll be doing such long streams. Elden Ring on Friday though. Don't worry. Yeah. I think another part of it for me is I've actively over the past few weeks I've been thoroughly reminding myself that I don't need to work on weekends, because I got very used to doing that. Oh, I forgot to change the stream category. No. Whoops. Software and game development. Whoopsies. Forgot to change it on Twitch. My bad. So yeah, I got very used to having to do like assignment work and whatnot over the weekend, and so I've had to be reminding myself that no, I'm not, like, I shouldn't feel guilty for not doing work at the weekends, because I do work during the week. And so I've been doing work during the week. I've also just been like going to sleep earlier and waking up earlier so I can do earlier streams. So yeah, I'm going to be locking in. I'm going to be doing pirate software hours. Let's go. It's literally a 9 to 5. But yes. Anyway, I won't be expected to see you for all of it. You've got a life as well, so don't worry about that. Yes. Let's see. What do I need to do? Okay. I feel like there's going to be another bit about mechanics I was going to flesh out. What other mechanics are there going to be? Is there going to be... Oh, yes. Hiring and firing. I guess staff. Actually, I can put that under employee count. You have the ability to hire or fire at any time. There we go. Hire or fire employees at any time. Hiring will hiring in small amounts. No. I was just thinking that if you hired a load of people at once, then that's probably not going to make people happier. But hiring like a few people at once will probably make people happier. Hiring in small amounts will increase satisfaction. Firing in small amounts will not affect satisfaction. Skipping this one. Basically, if you fire a load of people at once, people aren't going to be happy. And then I also want to say this ability can be banned. I say this ability can be locked because of deals made with the union. So when the union comes to like talk to you, they can say, okay, we don't want you to fire anyone today. And so you'll not be able to fire anyone. Or if they think there's too many staff, then they're like, okay, you can't hire anyone today. Basically, that's what I want that to be. Okay. Now, kind of a big thing is going to be outlining all the tasks and how they're going to work, which is going to be difficult, but hey ho, let's go. I'm going to just crunch a bit of this. Like that. There we go. That's a bit better. Tasks. Tasks. Let me just bring that up and then. No, hello. There we go. That's what I wanted. No, come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Okay, tasks. Let's start by outlining all the tasks. So, you have to take calls. You have to pay bills. Pay employees is now automatically done at the end of the day. Present meetings. Okay, wait. I'm gonna factor these. I'm just gonna indent them all by 1 for now. Present meetings. You have to do scheduling. Employee wellness checks. Employee wellness checks. Sign documents. Deal with the union. Because we no longer hire and fire people. That's no longer a task. We no longer pay employees. We no longer pay employees. No, paying employees is now done at the end of the day automatically, so it's no longer a task. Although I could make it a task. Some of these are just tasks which you do like once a day though, which is not what I want. Dealing with emergencies are now surprise events. So that's kind of classed differently. Okay. So I think all of these are just normal tasks. Then, if we do needy tasks, stuff you've got to come back to again and again, that will be emailing the board. And then, I don't know. Emergencies. So, okay. I guess lawsuits. I don't know. What else? I think... Okay, I think that's enough just to, like, get started. I do want to limit myself for kind of the demo, and I think... I do want more, but I think I can always add in more. I can always go back and add in more. We have one needy. We have one emergency. Okay. Yeah. And we've got kind of like the main mechanics kind of already built in. Oh yeah, which do you think would be better, Shane? Do you think it would be better to have like 1 second in real life be equal to 1 minute in game? Because I was thinking of having like it be an 8 hours. So it's a 9 to 5. So it's 8 hours long. So should that be 8 minutes long or 4 minutes and 48 seconds? I could probably up that to 5 minutes. But that would be 3 seconds is equal to 5 minutes. I was kind of between the two. Just for like how long the days will last. I guess it might just be like I have to play test it and I go, okay, this is better or this is better. Yes. Okay. So what this is? Okay. I'll rewrite this. You know what? You're right. I should rewrite. 5 seconds is equal to 5 minutes. There you go. Now you know you can see the equivalent. So it's either 5 seconds every 5 minutes or 3 seconds or every 5 minutes. Yeah. No. To be fair, I probably should have had an equivalent like I do now. Yeah. No, I guess maybe I'm kind of leaning towards 5 minutes, especially if the day is gonna like if it's gonna be week based. This would be what basically just under 25 minutes a week to like play through an entire week, whereas this would be what 8, 16, 32, 40 minutes. Yeah, 40 minutes. I don't know why I did it that way. That's a really convoluted way to do it, but yeah, 40 minutes a week, which might not be too bad. I just don't think I have enough to fill up that. But anyway, probably the shorter one, yeah. I mean, when I add in more tasks, this one might make sense, but for now, I don't think it does. I want to open Godot and start putting these in, but I don't. I need to kind of get a lot of the design done. So that's what I'm prioritizing. I'm just gonna go fuck it, Uber. Where is output? I'm just gonna cap my bit rate at 6,000. Cool. Are you gonna stop being so wacky? He's dropping. Perfect. Cool. Yeah. So we've got tasks. Let's outline how this is gonna work. So scheduling is the one I've actually thought through a bit. You will be given a list of meetings, etc. to put on a timeline. There will be a set of rules dictating how these should be ordered. Be ordered. Okay, so that's kind of what I was thinking. And to that, there's going to be a few components. There's an order of priority. So I'll just list all the different type of like events and say, okay, this one should be done first, then this, then this, then this. But then there'll also be stuff like, oh, this event has to be done by lunchtime. So if you're going to put that event in, it needs to be by lunchtime. And then there's going to be some events which are like longer. And so if you can't fit them on, like if it happens at the end of the day and it's like, oh, you can't fit in the timeline, then you should put a different smaller one in to try and fill it up. That's kind of what I was thinking. I'm going to have to write it out in detail. This is probably the bit that's going to take the longest, except from the actual coding. Like going through and like writing out what's going to be in the instruction booklet. Because I'm going to have to make it interesting enough so that basically not everything should be easily memorable. Like, for example, when I play Keep Talking Nobody Explodes with friends, I've kind of gotten pretty good at like remembering I can do the simple tasks on my own for the most part. Or like I can do most of it on my own. But when it comes to like some of the harder tasks or later tasks, I can't. So that's kind of what I want. I want some tasks you'll be able to like remember and don't need to consult the book for, but some of them you'll definitely need to for at least a good while. And then at some point people are going to start memorizing stuff and you can't do anything about that. That's why you have harder tasks and more complicated ones and stuff which you literally can't memorize. I mean, some of the stuff in Keep Talking Nobody Explodes. Was that a Canadian I heard? No, I'm British. You could argue that's worse. Is being Canadian bad? I don't think there's any stereotypes of that. Is there any stereotypes of Canadians being bad? I don't know. I guess we don't really hear much about Canadian stereotypes over here except from they're nice. So I'm British, I didn't clock that. I don't sound the most British. I'll say that. I've just realised I put my glass of cold water in the sun. It's very sunny today. It's set to get up to 21 degrees later, which would be absurd. It's 19 right now. Highs of 25? What are you on about? Seriously? Oh my lord. I heard you say book or something like that. So yeah. So I'm too white for this weather and I'm in Wales. 21 peak. Oh, I know, right? It's so hot. It is. It's kind of insane, like, how hot it's like, it went from not being bad to, like, a week ago, we start, like, hitting 20s, and it's not gone down. 40 or something stupid next month. That would be insane. Imagine. Yes, I'm just quickly wanting to check the temperature. Hey, it's a good thing I did that, otherwise I would have linked my location. Oh god. Yeah, so where I live, it's highs of 21. Which is actually the highest it's meant to be for the next 10 days, according to this. So, it's not insane. Unpaid CEO, yes! This is a showcase game. It is not. Thank God I don't live in London. Honestly, I'd hate my life. So yeah, Unpaid CEO is a game I'm working on for my college showcase. As I ended college recently, and they wanted a showcase, so I'm putting together this game for that. It's kind of Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes, but you're a CEO. It's the game. Yeah. What were you expecting, bro? What were you expecting? This is in software and game development, and it's called Unpaid CEO Devstream. I was the unpaid CEO. Well, yeah, I'm probably going to start my own company thing soon, so I will be. But no. Yeah, I am pretty much. I'm going to put together a studio soon, hopefully. Although that probably won't be legally put together for a good while. But yes, no, it's a game. It's a game. I'm not a CEO yet. And God, that's going to be weird if I ever get the title of CEO. So, I don't know. CEO just feels like such a pompous title now because of like the people who have it. Can you guys hear that? Someone's started mowing their lawn, which is fair. It's a very nice day to do it, but... Okay, it doesn't come up on mic. That's fine. So yeah, I've been writing out, I've been trying to do all the design work now, which is kind of like, because I'm very much on the coding side, but the type of game it is, you need a lot of design work done for it. So I'm getting that out the way, or getting like a good chunk of it out the way before I spend a load of time coding and programming. Workbench, that's fine. Why was that? I like how that was like flagged as misogynistic. Also, that's very funny. My favorite part is the table in this diagram. Yeah. This? Like the drawing or this? The loop? I'm guessing you mean this. Yeah. You know, I'm just gonna leave my window open, it's fine. But yeah, so this is kind of where I'm at. Oh wait, I should actually show you guys. Godot. So if I actually open up Godot, and if I open up the actual document, very funnily, I don't know how this happened, but you can see that whenever I try to load up the original scene, it's corrupted, but it clearly hasn't corrupted that badly, because I can still play the game, and like this being shown is the original scene, which is apparently corrupted, which is very funny. It is wacky. Is it because I did this? That would be wild. Imagine. No. Okay. Good. I thought it might just be that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to remake the scene at some point. I tried duplicating it, which didn't fix it. I wish just reloaded it and fixed it, but sadly it did not. I can close down the camera. Maybe it's loading a cached compile version of the level. Yeah, would make sense. I just don't know where it's caching it. Like, I've restarted, like, my computer is not being left on. It's, like, being turned off and, like, everything's been closed and, like, stuff. So I don't know, like, where is it being cached? Anyway. Loading, yeah, it might not be loading the scene, but... Anyway. I just want to do coding, man. Okay, we need to continue working on this. Because I need to plan out how all these tasks are going to work. Emailing the board, automatic Gmail replies, smile. Is it replies? Yeah. So, you know, when you've got, like, if you've used Gmail, it has those automatic replies you can hit. You're going to have to communicate with those and just keep them happy. I guess that's my only idea for that. CEO mail, that is goated. CEO mail, CEO. Nah, wait, I'm trying to make it roll off the tongue. Boss mail, let's go. The mail. Wait, I'll just. C-mail. C-mail could work. Wait, let me write these down. CEO mail. C-mail. Boss mail. Boss mail. I don't know why I thought of this. The mail. It's the mail. Oh, instead of C-mail, I should do C-email. That makes a bit more sense. We can come up with one later. This is not important. It's gonna be a small logo sat in the top left or something. Lawsuits. Negotiate. Will affect egg? Will affect. I don't know. Hell if I know. Damn. Shane insta hit that snooze. What the hell? Was okay. Or do you get a pick? Oh yes, we should. Okay, we should make it so the player can name the company. Okay. Yeah, I hadn't named the company. Yeah. Okay, you can name the company. Will affect metrics. No, being able to name the company is a great shout. I'll just write that somewhere. Can name the company. Cool. Also make the environment customizable, but you need absorbently expensive microtransactions to get any cosmetic. Funny. Not for the showcase. There's definitely stuff like customizable like areas which I like for a full game, but this is just a demo, and I need to focus on just a demo, which is kind of the important bit. Oh my god, it's a barring system. I've just remade a bartering system. Let's go! Yes, we're going back into bartering. Yeah! God. I don't know. Apparently I'm just so coded that I need a bartering system in the games I make. Cause what? Dungeon Merchant was a game about bartering. Obviously Babel had bartering in it. That's kind of where it originated from. Now this kind of has bartering in it. You have negotiations. You have to sign it with the mouse. Sign with mouse. So you've got to like use your mouse to do a signature. Okay. Sign like. Yeah. Okay, and you gotta sign like 8 documents or something. Sign like X number of documents. Sign N documents. And then it compares your signature on each one to see how well you've done your signature, and compares your signatures to see how well you did. You say that, I don't think it's gonna be. The way I was planning to do it is, how do I draw on this? Yeah. So say I do a signature of, I'm trying to come up with a signature which isn't just my own, because I don't want to do my own signature for this. Like if I do JS, like just spirit, and then if I do that again, but like if I try to make it different, and then like this, I just made it the S larger each time. But then what it'll do is it's gonna overlay them like this, and like you can see like how similar and different it is. That's how I'm gonna do it. So it's gonna overlay all the signatures, and like, and how will the code do that? We don't talk about the code. We don't talk about the code. That's a problem I'll figure out later. If worst comes to worst, it won't, but that would be a cool mechanic. Like, it compares the signatures. Come on, I'll put that as a stretch goal, okay? Happy? It's just a cool mechanic. Okay. Oh, I know how to do it. The way I would do it is at the start when you set up your company, you have to sign a document then. So, comp. That's my signature for my company, okay? And you do that when you set up your company, and then it compares it with that signature. That's how I'll do it. And then basically, if you imagine it like that, and then there's going to be like an area like around it, like this. And like, as long as your signature is in this area kind of thing, then it sees it as like the same signature sort of thing. Like that. So as long as it's like in the same area, it would see it as the same signature. That's how I'll do it. You happy now? I've explained how I would do it. You give it an initial signature, and then I fucking pray. To be fair, you could just totally make your signature dot. That is valid. Like, on the entire, like, signature thing where it's like... What do you mean the actual implement? Like, how I would do it in engine? I don't know yet. Believe it or not, I haven't... Where would I even start to code with that? So when you initially do it, it would... I'm not sure... I guess you could save it as, like, an image. Like, save it as an image. And then... I guess that would just be, like, a .png. .png. And then... So it saves it as a .png, and then what? And then it just kind of overlaps. No, okay. Yes, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna code it, but like, I'm new to Godot. I'll figure it out. I could figure it out. You haven't even given me a chance to figure it out yet. You just started bombarding me with, actually, how's this gonna work? Thank you, at least you're a believer. Believer. Okay. The Humidale situation. Okay. I was gonna bite back, but I actually can't even. I'm trying to think of what exactly you're referencing. What was it that we were having a really hard time doing in Humidale? What was it? Or you just mean something unfinished? Implementing anything, we didn't suffer, we weren't that bad. We did it. We managed. We managed. You just takes X amount of time. Don't need to specifically do anything. That's just you walk out the room and you just sit for a minute or a few seconds. Oh god. Okay. I've hit the problem of like, I need to make these tasks, but I need to make them so like, you actually need to consult the book and you can't just like do them. Because for pay bills, I was gonna say, okay, you have to do like maths, but then you don't need to use the book again. I need to make it so you have to use the book to do stuff. Because, like, the scheduling, you definitely need to refer to the book. The employee wellness checks, I guess not. Signing documents, you don't need to. Unless I made it, like, you just sign it. You don't have to refer to the book, which is the problem. I need tasks which actually need you to, like, refer to the book. I mean, like, some of the tasks, like, will be super simple, that's fine, but, like, the vast majority of these are really simple right now, which is the problem that I'm having. They can't all be this simple. Yeah, try and expand on all of them. I need to. I like how Conrad's been saying good morning every day since we finished college. He's like, please, I can't let this end. I respect it. He's a real one. But yeah, maybe taking calls could just be a quick time event. Why does that need the book? Or there's like a phone, it's like a phone book. So like you've got to know who to call. So you've got to refer to the book to like, okay, boom, done. You need to refer to the book to find out what number to call. Okay, told to call someone. Okay, fine. Make calls. And then I'll put take calls in needy. Happy? Quick time event. So yeah, this is what I've noticed. So needy, you don't really need to I guess I'll make this with like what your replies are. I just want to indent this by one. Yeah. Oh wait, never mind. I was right the first time. These do all need to be indented. Okay. Make calls. Told to call someone. Check book for phone number. Cool. I guess make that a 6-digit number. Resets if you reopen the book. I guess. What makes sense? I was thinking 6 digits, but I think that could be pretty easy to remember. Taking calls should actually be like a rhythm game. Each beat you're hitting is how good your reply is to how whoever's talking to you. That's a good idea. I've just thought of that. Oh my god! Wait. I need to find this. Wait. Hold. I'm sure that people will instantly know what I'm talking about if I say what I'm thinking about, but I want to find a video. Is it this one? Is it? Yes, it's this one. I don't know why, but I just immediately thought of this. Ringside. Oh, why is it silent? Oh, there we go. Where it's like the I don't know why this is what I immediately thought of. He died. Anyway, that's just what I immediately thought of. Yeah, it's fair. Okay. QTEs to respond. I think I want you to be able to do this one while you're doing other tasks, which might not be a smart idea, but that's the player's choice, not mine. Please respond. Can do while completing other. You open the phone, it opens into Osu, and you've just got to play a game of Osu. Imagine. Actually, just imagine. Like, the screen goes dark, it opens, and it's fucking Heaven Dive, or whatever it's called. I haven't played Osu in ages, I can't remember what everything's called. Osu... Is it not? Is it Heaven's Drive? What is it? What's the fucking song? What? Freedom Dive. That's it. That's what I was thinking of. Freedom Dive. Yeah. It just opens into fucking Freedom Dive. Which is... this. For people who don't know what Freedom Dive, it's this. I'll pause. Right, let me... So yeah, this is Freedom Dive, and it's like, the screen goes black, it turns back, and it's this, and you've got a full combo. And you've got to do it with mouse as well, imagine. Such a stupid idea. It'd be incredibly funny. God, the streams in this. It's 4 minutes long. Oh, if only. I'm sure there's some, like, legal reason I probably couldn't, but boy, is it a funny idea. One day is an April Fool's update. As an April Fool's update, one day we'll say. God, would it be fucking funny, though. Okay. Oh, that'd be such a funny idea. Okay. Anyway. Sorry, I can't think of anything else at the moment. I just keep thinking of like this, like what I've described. Like you pick up the phone. Hello, the screen goes dark. Freedom Dive starts. Oh god, I can't get it out of my head. It's such a funny idea. Okay. What other ones have I not like fleshed out? Paying bills, presenting meetings. Okay. Paying bills and presenting meetings. Great. Okay. Back to work. Lock in. Okay. How do I make these final two interesting? I also need to deal with the union, but that's just more negotiation. Negotiation. Can lock higher / fire ability. No, my fireball! I can't cast a fireball anymore. I think for stuff like this, I'll just put an explanation in the booklet of like, oh, what each icon means, or like what you're negotiating and like how that can affect. Uh, I know I really need to spend this entire morning just doing design, but boy do I just want to start coding. Coding's the fun bit. How do I make paying bills and presenting meetings interesting? I mean, like, for presenting meetings, you could put together the slides, I guess. Like, that's not kind of really what I wanted to do. The problem is coming up with tasks which will kind of, like, require you to, like, at least look at the book once. At its core, this game is a lot of different mini-games that come together for a central purpose. Yeah, but like, the problem is coming up with a mini-game which requires you to look at like an instruction, or like have some reason to like look at this other thing. That's the difficult part. Because I really want to like link in the need to like look at the book. That's kind of like a big point of the game. And like, I know not all of them need to be like that, but like currently most of them you really don't need to look at the book much. Just cleaning. I need to give this microphone a good clean. I just want to code. I might just code. Should I just start coding? Oh, I just really want to start coding. Presenting meetings, you could base some game around preparing notes. Yeah. Just literally expand on each point a little. Okay, yeah. I need Elliot in here. He's the design guy. And I know he's not on this project, but I could do with him on this project, honestly. I need to double check teams real quick. I can't wait to uninstall teams and everything. It's gonna be such a nice day when I do that. Sam, I know you're online. Reply to me, bro. Actually, now that I think about it, why the hell did I message Sam? He never replies to anyone. Well, he just takes ages. Okay. What even is all this stuff? Brainstorm together. Jambot. Run a meeting. Alignment scale. Diagrams. Polls. Photo booth. What is photo booth? Hi? What? Oh, you want to look at my camera? Allow, sure. Oh! Holy shit, that's me! Oh! Wait, that's me? Then who is this guy? God, I've got a bad spot. I did not realise. God. I did not realise how spotty that side of my face is. I guess that's the side I sleep on, so it's not too surprising. Oh my god, it literally just pulls up all my cameras. This is great. Peak. Oh, it's my laptop camera. There you go. Holy shit, look at that. Ho ho ho. I forgot, I did not realize you could do this. God, the lighting is bad. Lovely, lovely indeed. I'm gonna put this somewhere, I guess. For paying bills, you could use the book to cross-reference spending. Hard to make it, like, not too mathy. The problem is, I'm not bad. I don't have an issue with it being mathy, but I just need you to, like, reference the book. Oh, okay. The book can give you the formulas you use. So, like, you could know that, like, for example, it will give you, like, a load of numbers, and then it's like, okay, you have to figure out what the thing is, and the book will have, like, how you figure it out. If paying the bills minigame is literally just doing bills, I don't think people will like that. Yeah, but it's less complicated. I don't know, man. Okay, I think a bit of, maybe instead of paying bills, I think we're looking at this wrong. I think what it could be is like you get a stack of bills and you've got to figure out which one of them are legit and which one of them are fakes. So like, instead of actually the thing is about paying bills, it's about sorting the bills. I'm getting rid of this image. I just keep looking at it. God, is it god awful image. That's my best idea. Like, use the book to figure out which are real. Okay. So we've just got, if we can just get present meetings done, then I'm happy with kind of the design work that I've done so far. I mean, I've been at like hour and a half and I've done this, which isn't insane amounts, but it's decent. Considering design's not necessarily my strong suit. Present meetings. How? I don't know. I don't know how to make presenting meetings interesting. I don't know. I think I might just end it there and start coding. Yep, I'm happy with that. Okay, coding time. Yippee! Okay, I need to fix this. I need to fix this scene. And to fix it, I'm just going to delete it and remake it. Smile. New scene. Level 0. It was underscore 0. Cool. Okay. And then, wow, look at this. I'm gonna have to realign strip. Monitor, like there-ish. Book. There. Computer. Okay. Where's layout? Transform. There we go. Yeah, that was 1260. And then, was it 360? The vertical? Yeah, so it's about 720 total, so 360 was it, yeah. Okay. And then, I need to add, marker, I need to go, good sir. Also, consider me involved with this project now because it's interesting. Yes! I was about to go brick wall, here we go, but somebody doesn't like the name brick wall suddenly. That's hype. That's hype. That's cool. I will leave music and I guess other stuff to you, happily. But yes, don't worry about it. I'm gonna be working on this all week, so I don't expect you to be here 24/7. At least on the stream inside. But yes, I'm excited. I'll be back if you're still streaming later. If it's before 5, probably. I said I'm doing 9 to 5, so obviously with a break. But yeah. No, I'll see you in a bit, man. I'll see you in a bit. Have a good day. Have a good day. What's the code I did? On marker. On marker. Cool. Then just also paste that. Cool. Comp off marker. I need to make my desk less shaky. Book off marker. Why am I doing spaces with this? Let me just remove the spaces. Cool. Now we have our markers. I've made sure to name them the same thing again. Where is this marker? Okay. So, put it... I used to put it in the same place. One pixel. It'd just be easier to do transform, wouldn't it? Yep, especially because it's 1 pixel off. And then if I grab the computer and just move this off until it's like a good amount off. There, and then what? 2100? Like that. And then if I also set the computer off marker to the exact same thing, so 2100. Cool. So when it goes back off, it goes back to that point. Book should be set at I'll get to that in a second. I need to make sure the actual book is set at the right place for now. 1260 360. Nice. And then the book off marker should be at 1260, and then I'm not sure how far down it should be, so I guess that's what I'll figure out now. Wow, I love it when I grab just one axis and then it does all of them. What's that? That's 1020, so I guess 1040 is good. Book off marker will be 1040. Perfect. Save. It's gonna complain. Select current. Does the code still work? No, I need to reline. Oh, I just quit all of Godot. Never mind. No, I didn't. I don't know why I thought I had. I need just to make sure the script is. Oh wait, I need to actually put the script on like that. Now is it working? Dope. Yep, and that's complaining because that doesn't exist, which is fine. Okay. Cool. So, I need to set up some extra scripts. I want a global script which is going to hold a load of variables. Oh wait, it's still running. Whoops. Monitor. I also want to make this, change the location of this real quick. Like, maybe somewhere like around there? That's 1260, then that's what, 90 down? I'd rather do 80. So 80. Give me a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Parents just came home. Well, my mum did, because she was planning to be out today, but then felt sick, so she just came home. Seems like it's insane to say this, but it feels like there's a boat going around, and that's insane, considering how hot it is. Cool. Why do you... There we go. I'm just gonna shrink you. There we are. Cool. So I've remade this scene, which is good. Now, what are you complaining about? Delta is never used here. That is true. I should do that. That's complaining about this. Okay. I need to figure out how to actually reference stuff. What? Why do I need to reference it? Oh, I wanted to tell it to hide the book. Yes. I wanted to run that function. Because I couldn't do it myself, could I? No, wait, could I not just do it here? Oh, I also need to set showing book to false. But like, could I? I think it's going to complain about the show and book, yeah. But like, just curious, does this just... So if I open the book... No. It did not work, which is not surprising. What was I wanting to check? Cool. Let me just shrink Discord. Stop that. Perfect. Okay. What should I do? Okay, first I want to set up a global script, which everything can reference. I should also sort out my files a bit more, because it's kind of all over the place. I could just do a scripts and scenes like kind of thing. Scenes, and then just throw all the scenes into here, like so, and then that's fine for now. Okay. Yeah, so this all works, which is good. This bit doesn't, but that's another issue. Okay. Yeah. Add. And then if I just do, is that gonna work? If I just because I've auto-loaded it, will that work? Whoa, what? Why does it have an issue with that? That's weird. Node not found. It's weird. Book. Node not found relative to root level 0. I don't know why. That is odd. What if I try opening the computer instead of the book? Computer also doesn't work. Evidently it's because of me putting it into auto load. I'm curious as to why. Show computer node not found computer. I guess I'll just re-reference them all. That's the easiest thing. If I just try computer and then on marker, and then maybe this will fix it. On marker. Nope. Position on base. Okay, but you did find them. Okay. It's evidently doing that breaks stuff. So putting that as an auto load is not going to help. I guess. Alright, delete that, and then can I add a scene? Save. Okay, it's not complaining that much. That works still. That does nothing. Okay, love it. Oh. It's also not hiding it correctly. They're not hiding correctly anymore. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so it's literally just because I hit this down button here that everything got messed up. Okay, that is interesting. This breaks it. Lovely to see. Re-disable this. I do need to add variables. Okay, I'm going to start off by making a global script. I'm just going to take a small break from that because I'm not quite sure what I do. Global. Cool. So this is going to have everything that I need, really. So what variables do I need? I'm gonna need. Alright, let me write this out in comments first. First variable I'm gonna need is for me to actually just look at my document. If I just look at my document, I'll be able to tell stock price, stock evaluation. Then I'm gonna need employee count, and then I'm gonna need satisfaction. And then there's some other numbers I'd like. Total hires, total fires, total employees, and then what else would it be? Tasks completed. I'm just wanting a lot of variables which I can just reference, which would be nice. I'll name this eval, like for stock evaluation. And then that needs to be, would a float or an integer be better? Int. Or would it make more sense for that to be a float? I guess a float. It gives me room to work. Var implore. I guess emps. That will be an int. Satisfaction is gonna be. I'm gonna name this mood instead, and I'm gonna make that a float as well. Total hires, var hires total, and that's gonna be an int. And then var fires total will also be an int. And then I'm going to name that to stock instead. And then var emps total, that's going to be int as well. And then tasks complete var task total, and that's also going to be an int. Perfect. Should I remove all this spacing? Yeah, there we go. Cool. So we have our stock, employee count, mood, hires, fires. I should do day as well for hires and fires, like how many have been hired or fired that day. Day. Honestly, maybe even a week value, although I'm not sure how useful that would be. It's good just to like have this stuff laid out. I'll do a week as well. So the reason I need the day hires and fires is for day hires and fires used for satisfaction. So this will be like if you hire or fire too many people, then that's going to impact satisfaction. I'm gonna put here just fun totals. Just because I think that's gonna be all that is really useful. Just having a fun. Oh, look at this. Fun totals. Cool. There you go. I'm happy with how that looks. Anything else we think we need? I've got kind of the main 3 evaluation points. Oh, I need a time as well. Var time is then gonna be. I'm debating whether I want to do a float and then add 0.1 or 0.5, or if I'd rather do, like, I want to figure out how I want to do the time. Do I want to just have it like 1.5, like 1.42, or would I rather have like 102 and then figure out what the time is from that? I'm trying to figure out what the easiest way to do the count would be. I guess I'll just do an int for now. Actually, I should do a float for now because that gives me more to work with. And then process underscore del. I want delta. Oh, the fuck. What is it again? Oh, I don't need to switch that. I forget. What is it? There we go. Function process delta. There we go. Save. And then if I just throw it past that for now. Cool. So I'm gonna want to I do want to use delta. So if I do time is equal to time. Oh wait, here's a thing. There's an actual time thing here. Okay. A singleton for working with time data. The time singleton allows converting time between various formats and getting time information from the system. Okay. I don't want like this time. I want like clock time. Maybe a timer is the best way to go about it. Timer. Let's see. Countdown timer. Perfect. That's basically exactly what I need. Start times. Okay. So that gets time left. That way. The wait time in seconds. Okay, sets the timer. Sets a wait time to time seconds. If time seconds is greater than 0, this also resets the remaining time to wait time. I think I get it. So if I do timer dot start and then no, that's wrong. Start. Okay, wait, I'm stupid. How do I code? Yeah. I think I was right. Timer dot start. And then oh wait, I need to make an instance. Okay, my bad. So if I do that, if I change that to timer and then do time, is that wrong? That's wrong. Okay. I'm also going to change this to clock instead, seeing as time already has something. Just pass that through. Oh yeah, you're complaining about that. Make you a float. Okay, let's read through this. Start time sex is equal to float equals -1. Just give me. I need code examples. That helps me more than literally anything. Like just be given okay. Here's an example. Methods. Start. Just like seeing it in code is so useful normally. And then how would I do this? Timer Why am I doing that on? No, I'm not. Okay. Thought I was doing that on the wrong thing for a second. Save. Let me just close these for a second. Okay. So. It's stopped. So that just checks if it's stopped, which I don't need. Start, and then... Wait time. Wait time default. So that's how long. So it's like, it waits a second and then decreases it. This is why I just need examples. Online tutorials? Oh wait, this might help. View files. Where's the timer? Main, maybe? Do you use a timer in here? Yes, perfect, they do. Okay. So, yeah, they literally just do dot, like, start, dot, stop. Where do you define start timer? They just fucking don't? Okay. Oh no, it's because they're referencing an actual timer that's been made. Is like an actual timer being made? Timer. Yes, they're referencing an actual timer, which is why. So I probably want this. Okay, my eyes just went so fucking blurry, my lord. Scene tree create timer, and then. That needs to be process ready. Okay, wait, what? Let me just throw this code down here real quick. And then function. Oh, I should be doing function, and then it will probably show up. Function ready. There we go. Nice. Okay. How would I set its name? Or does it just auto set? Okay. Whoops. I added something. Anyway. Shit. It insta-died. Lovely. Project settings. Auto load. Global. Add. Close. Oh, I should pass this. Oh. Okay, what do you want? What do you need? Okay, so you need time. So you need at least time. So if I say 10, I think. Yeah. Do you need the whole thing? Make an instance instead? Bro, if I was 10 true. Stop. No, I want the thing that's telling me how to fill it out. That's what I want. Okay. False, I guess. Is it gonna be happy if I do it like this? No. Okay, make an instance. But I don't want to make an instance. Non-static function create timer. Oh, is it because I'm... Okay. I think it's because this is in a global. If I throw it here, and if I get function ready, like this, and then put that in there, it's gonna have some issues, yeah, but that's fine. If I give it a value, no, okay, it gives me the exact same error. That's not it. Okay, so it's not because it was a global, and I was trying to apply it to that. Although it probably is as well. now that I think about it, it probably won't have a good time because that's the global. I think I should probably keep the time in here. Scene on the class scene tree. Oh, is it because I was doing? Fuck. What should I call it on instead then? If not scene tree. So confused. Scene tree create timer. Returns. Okay. Get. Okay. That's what I needed to see. Thank you. Let me just try commenting this out. I'm not just going to delete it. I was going to just delete it, but I'm just going to comment it out instead. Okay. Clock. And then you want me to do that. I'll just try get tree instead. Might help. Might have fixed it. Oh, I left it in here. Okay. Let me just go back and change all this other code. Let me just put pass. Okay, perfect. Now, does a timer exist? Because that's what I need. I need a timer. And I need to know it exists. So this creates timer. And then create timer. So that waits. Time left. Okay, right. Emitted when timer reached 0. Okay. So if I do dot timeout, then that's going to say when it reaches 0, then it's going to output a signal. Okay. Oops. Get tree is just getting the scene tree, yeah. It didn't output null for me though, did it? So yeah, it is doing that. It's outputting that much at least. God. I just kind of threw out on compatibility. I can't remember what the different ones do. I know compatibility is the right one for this though. What time is it? 11. So an hour and a half more. Okay. Timers, for some reason, are just really annoying to do in game engines. I don't know why. Maybe I got too comfortable with Python's just like time, where it's like time.wait and it just waits, which is super simple and just works. It just works. It just works. Okay. Okay. I could... Okay. What I could do is literally just copy this code and go back to here and go get rid of this. And then go here like this and then say, okay, that, and then once that is done, time is equal to time plus 5 print time. Not the variable, not the variable. Also, it's not time anymore, it's clock. I forgot about that. Clock does make more sense though. Not necessarily, but time's an actual thing, so that's why. Clock. Also, I bet I could I just do that? Used tab character. Okay. What is your issue? Used tab instead of a space as used before on file. Oh, you want me to do spaces for everything? Oh, it's because this stuff I copied used spaces, I guess. I much prefer just using tabs. Much easier. Cool. Oh. Okay, that just keeps going. It doesn't reset the timer. I need to reset the timer. I thought it was just going to do that bit again and again. Okay. If true, the timer will stop when reaching 0. If false, it will restart. So, how do I say put Roos launch on it? Well, the default is false, so... Because this... So the problem that I was facing is that when I do it, it waits the 3 seconds like I want it to, and then it just keeps going. It just keeps outputting this final bit, which I don't want. Oh, because it starts it every second. But it should wait. It should be waiting. It should wait, do this, print. Oh no, it just keeps saying start, 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 so it keeps doing it. What I could do is function timer, and then if I just do await timer. I know it's a bad function name, don't care, didn't ask. Is that gonna work? I'd be surprised, but hey ho, mate. Nope, exact same issue, which is not surprising. Okay. It's probably because I'm doing it here. Oh my god, this guy. Why do you keep coming back, bro? Fuck off. I don't want to keep banning you. It's annoying. Jesus Christ. I think I've banned this guy like 4 times now. Maybe it's just I've been viewed as big enough to be an annoyance too, I guess. God, okay, I'm gonna send that to Shane on Discord, that's funny. Oh shit, did that even play the alert? I didn't really pay attention. Where's OBS? I presume so. Oh yeah, it did. I just did not notice. Oh, I guess I just noticed the pop-up at the same time I noticed the thing went off. I guess I didn't, either way, I didn't clock it immediately. Why is it saying I can only... Is it because it's in YouTube Studio? Well, I'm just quickly checking stuff, and it's... Apparently my YouTube stream is at 360p, which it shouldn't be, believe it or not. But like I just thought, it might be because it's... Yeah. So that outputs on any... It might just because of I'm in YouTube Studio. Yeah, it is. Cool. That's fine then. Yeah. Wow, I love how it can do any. And then can Twitch do any? Twitch. Where am I? Channel. Nice. Nice. Cool. Let me just close those. Perfect. Okay, yeah. So the problem is I'm using this, could I just have a function that calls itself? That would be very funny if I just made a function that calls itself. What should I name this? Add time, I guess. And then add time. Can I just... Can you just call yourself? Is that just gonna work? And then if I do... let me close those. And then if I just do function ready, so... That free? No. Ready. And then if I just do add time... Is that gonna work? 5. That is not what I thought it would do. I thought it was gonna add. Is that not what plus equals does? I thought that was what plus equals plus does. Equals plus dot. At least the timing is correct now. Great. Okay. Good. Oh, what would it be? Plus equals plus minus times divide. What are they? Operators. Oh yes. Godot operations. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, yeah, that's the normal stuff. That's the boring stuff. That's and not and stuff. Oh, well, that was all I knew. That's stuff I already knew. No, this... Oh, it's plus equals, not equals plus. That is why. I did this the wrong way round. There we go. Save. Whoa, okay. 5. 10. Yes! 15. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40. Nice. Cool. And so, just like this is what an equivalent to an hour in game would be. There's the 60-second mark. Well, not 60 second, that would actually be what? Whatever it is, times 3. 60 divided by 5 would be 12, times that by 3, that would be 36. 36-second mark. Where's the finger? Yeah, that's fine. Being weird. Okay, that's working. This is a weird function I wrote, but it works. I mean, there's nothing necessarily that weird about it. It just feels like a weird way to do it. And then, what would I want to keep going to? What's the 480? If clock is equal to 480, then do thing, else just add more time. Okay, print day over. Cool. And to test this, I will do this by going up in, what would the biggest thing be? 60. 60 would work. Okay. Oh, it should be equals. I'm dumb. Cool. 60. 120. 180. 240. 300. 360. 420. And now, 480 day over. Acre code! Yes! Happy about that. Cool, that's the clock done. In reality, that would probably do another function for day over. God, this is a shaky tripod, isn't it? It's because, actually, let me just... I know, I just need to... God, I wish this tripod was a bit less shaky, but hey ho, you live with what you've got. And I got this for 20 quid. Cool. I'm gonna just do one last thing before I move on. Function, end day. And then, just for now, all I'm gonna put in there is that. And then say, run end day. Nice. Perfect. Cool. So that will say that the day is over. It'd be interesting if you could, like, lock variables. I mean, you shouldn't have to, but it'd be interesting. I don't know why. I just thought, oh, that would be an interesting thing to be able to do. Like, lock in a variable so it cannot be changed. But I guess you just don't change it. Either way. Okay. I'm happy with that. We've got a lot of basic stuff done here, so this is a good start for the global. What I'll need to do is go into monitor. Okay. Let me open the monitor thing, and then let me add a script here. You can just be in root, actually. Right there, yep, open. Monitor. Cool. And what I want you to do is, I guess what I'll need to do is actually just set the monitor up a bit. Text. I guess. Boom. And then just put that here, I guess. Text is actually going to be a variable. Text. Hey Oliver, how's it going? Good morning. I'm doing good. I'm kind of getting into the routine of streaming from 9 till 5, which is probably what I'm going to be doing for the week. But yeah, I'm doing good. How are you doing, man? I can set the text in this, can't I? Cool. Can't edit it. Nice. Perfect. Just woke up, coffee, and then probably 8 hours of Valorant. That is fair enough. Honestly, it's fair that you're on that Valorant grind. Yeah, no, I'm just working on this still. I spent the first chunk of the stream working on some design design work, and then I got tired of that, so I've actually just started coding, which is the fun bit for me. Which is what I'm doing now. What am I wanting to do? I'm wanting to make it so the text in that updates. Okay. On ready. What am I going to want to do? I want to set text. Set. I don't want to do like set. No. Text. Displayed text. Okay. Set. Underscore text. Let me just Google this. It'll be a lot quicker than me just trying stuff. Set text. Good. Maybe. That's wanting to change that. Text of a button. The variable text. So what should I do? I should do that, and then if I refer to let me just tap back on the chat so I can see it. Not important, but I think you need to calculate stock prices a different way at some point. Yeah. So the way this was gonna work, where's stock? Where have I got it? Yeah. So the way I was gonna do it, stock is basically just it's instead of having money, basically, it's just the way you get evaluated. So the way I was gonna have it is like you complete a task, and then that is times by the number of employees you have, and then that's kind of like what your stock increases by. There is downsides to having a lot of employees. Yeah. No, at a glance it's probably like looks weird, but I read one line and thought that was it, Lamau. Yeah. No, so that is the stat, like that is just how the stock is priced, but then there's like other stuff, so it's like the more like you can get really hit by a lot of things. I'm trying to make it balanced. But I'm also trying to not make it too big for like the showcase. I will probably revisit everything at some point. I wouldn't be surprised about that. Rich text label dot set underscore text, and then global dot, oh wait, it's capital G, isn't it? Global dot clock. Hell if I know that works. It's probably not gonna. Nope. Rich text label. Maybe I should do something instead of a rich text label. I just kind of did rich text label because I wasn't sure what else to do. Let's have a look through them actually. Oh, label. Yeah, label's probably what I want. Let me just throw that down there. Wait. Is it not? Hello? Am I getting my commands wrong? Is it not? Oh, I'm hitting Alt, not Command. Whoops. There we go. Cool. Change the text of... That's change the text of a button. Labels and set text. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so I should do this like, label dot text is equal to, there we go, global dot count. No. Invalid get index count on base node. Oh, did I do count? It's clock. That's why. Not count. It's clock. Restart. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's because that's a float and then this is, yeah. If I put this in, define that as a string, and then like that. There we go. Is it gonna... Oh, wait, it doesn't update. Duh. Of course it's not gonna update. I'm stupid. That is basically all I needed. I'll lurk while I watch YouTube and wake the fuck up. That's fair. Thank you very much, man. Hope Valorant goes well. Okay, I think that might work better. Hey, there we go. Updates now. Perfect. That's updating. It's impossible to see, but that's a problem for later. Anyway, what I need to do is I need to change how it's formatted. So it's gonna have to do. Okay. Let me get it. Global dot text clock. Okay. So we get the clock. And now we're gonna have to format it like a clock. So what we're gonna have to do is, I guess do two map equations to get the hour and the minutes. So var minute, I guess, seen as min is already something, is gonna be that. And then var hour is going to be the same. And then I'm actually going to do some basic maths here of getting remainder. Godot operations. Here we go. Okay. Because I can't remember these off the top of my head. That's not what I want. None of these are what I want. Godot docs. Let me just go to the docs. And then if I do operators, need my maths. Thank you, Holly. Here we go. And then let's see, what am I wanting? I think it's this one, right? Operator percent, yeah. Prints 0, returns the remainder. Perfect. So that divided by 60, and that's going to be the minute count. And then I need kind of the opposite. I need, because that will divide it by 60 and then tells you the remainder left over, while I need the opposite of that now. But I'm not sure what it would be. Is it it's not an ampersand, is it? No, that's binary. I want the opposite of this. Returns the remainder after dividing the two ints. Oh yeah, I just divide. I'm stupid. Divide by 60. And then I need to truncate that. Truncate. Cool. And now I need to truncate the int to get, here we go. Oh, I can truncate it by turning it into an integer. That would automatically truncate it. And then if I just turn that into, yeah, there you go. So that would automatically truncate it. And then if I then do is equal to let me change this then. Minute. Yep. Okay. That in between. And then if I do string hour, that, I think. No. Float and int in operator. Which line are you having? This top line. Should this be a float first? I can't remember what I set clock to. Did I set it to... what am I doing? I always think I need to tab to a different thing. Yeah, no, clock's a float. I guess it needs to be an int for this to work. So I guess I'll set it to an integer instead. So I can get rid of this bit. And then if I just set it to an int in here, like so, that might fix it. Hold. Okay, I'm gonna give it a second. Okay. It's climbing. It's climbing. Okay. 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. 1 hour. Yay! There we go. Perfect. That works. Okay, we're getting our clock working. And then where's this? I'm gonna add 0 onto the front of it here. Like that. Or guess. No way. It would be hour plus 9, because you start at 9 o'clock. And then... Okay. So that's going to look a little better. I'll start by saying 9. Yep, and then that'll change to 10. I want to put a space on either side of this, just so it's spaced out a bit more. And then I also want to do okay, I need to do some quick. Okay, if minute and hour are less min ut. I can't spell. Min ut and hour are less than 10. Does that work? Maths? Cool. And then if both of them are less than 10, then I want to add a 0 onto the front of both of it. Like this. Like that. And then I can add the 0 there. Cool. Whoa! Okay, I guess it doesn't work like that. If I do it like that. I'm also going to change where I add the 9, because instead of that, it makes more sense to have it added up here, so then it can be used in the AND if statement. Plus 9, like so. Cool. And then this should break in a minute. Yeah, see, it broke. Perfect. You can tell because it's not updating. So then I need to do some elifs. Elif, and hour, and what? Hour is greater than 9. No, that's hour. I want to do minute first because the minute would be the first one to change. Is greater than 9. Then don't have that. And then elif. I guess just the final else. No, I need the one where I guess greater. Okay. If minute is greater than 10, is less than 10. So if minute's less than 10, but then hour is greater than 10, so greater than 9, then don't need that there, but I am going to need the 0 here, like so. And then I guess the else would be else should be like this, where it's neither. Save. Okay, let's see if this works. So 0900, 0905, 0910. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up because this is gonna take ages. That's global. I'm gonna change it to 0.5, 0.5, save. I need to do some more comments on my code. Okay, see, this is working. I know it's kind of hard to see the text, but that's something I'm gonna fix, don't worry. Nice. Alright. Now, I'm not sure if I want to do AM, PM, or if I just want 24-hour clock. I'm not sure which would be best. I think maybe AM, PM, instead of a 24-hour clock. Maybe our heads. Ugh. Cool. And then that should hit set 5 and then it stops. Perfect. Works perfectly. Okay. I'm gonna write some comments. Get the minute. I can't spell minute by dividing by 60 And keep in the remainder. The problem is, looking at this all feels like really easy code, so I don't feel like I need to comment it. Like, I mean, it's all, oh my god. Welcome back again, man. You're getting banned. Why do you keep coming back? Just gonna delete the messages. Well, I think they're there. Yeah, no, this is like the 7th time I've had to ban this guy. I literally banned him early. I banned him 30 minutes ago. I've banned him now. I think I've banned him like 5 times before. He just keeps coming back. That's 3, 4. Okay, I've banned him 4 times before. Sorry. This is his 6th ban. Yeah, the thing is, to chat in my chat, you need to be verified. Or like it's at least a week old. So they've clearly verifying each account. Yes, monitor. Please monitor. God. Okay. And then their accounts just keep getting deleted, so it's so stupid. Bro woke up and chose violence. Yeah, but he's been doing this like, he first showed up 5 days ago, okay? And then he showed up again 4 days ago, 3 times. And then he showed up today, twice. He is not taking a break. I don't know what his issue is. Literally, I don't know what, I haven't read the message fully before, but he's basically, like, hate your life, be that boring, I guess, yeah. And he's like, hell doesn't exist, be afraid of death, open your tap every evening and never turn it off. He's basically telling you to add bleach to your food. And then he's telling you to throw it out and that money will come to you. And he's like, Twitch is scamming you or something. I don't know. It's so weird. It's so stupid. I don't get what he's on about. Oh, God. It's so dumb. He does know. He must know something. What can I say? Oh, I'm sending this to Shane. You won't believe who showed up for a 6th time. Come on, please. There we go. Believe who was just in my chat. And I'm gonna spoiler it because it's funny. I don't know. He just keeps showing up, and it's like Twitch keeps saying that he's likely a ban invader, and so they're restricting it. But he's still like spam posting. It's very funny. It's very weird, very dumb. You should add more verification. Well, yeah, I was talking to Shane about this the other day, but I think my verification's genuinely fine. I think I've used mine is you've got to have either one verified, I believe. I'll double check. Oh god, where is it again? Shane told me where it was the other day. Moderation. Okay. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Okay. I can show this. I don't see any issue showing this. This should be fine to show. Yeah, I'm not leaking anything. That's fine. Yeah, so this is what I've got. These are my settings. So, some chatters must have a verified email. The ones without a verified email must have an account older than 1 week. None of these guys do. Some chatters must have a verified phone number. Chatters without a verified phone number must have an account for at least 1 week. So basically, unless you have both your phone, email, and phone verified, I believe, then it's a week. And like, maybe it's this bit down here. No, wait, this is just if you can follow, isn't it? I don't know. I'm moving it down because this is so high speed chat, so. We have the exact same settings, yeah. I'm thinking it might be that bottom bit, you know. This bottom bit here, the follower verification. But no, this is just following, it's not even chatting. But he's chatting. So I think he's verifying both his phone and his email. I might just do first time. I could throw this on. Like this as well. I could also say, I could also throw this on. But I don't... This is my thing. I feel like this is like, those are valid. Like, not having your phone verified is like pretty valid. So I don't want to put that on. Oh, I just shrunk it. Do not want to do that. Okay. Yeah, very rare to be within a week of account creation on a channel. I don't know. Yeah, but like this guy's accounts 9 minutes ago, and then he follows me within like 5 minutes and spams. He is targeting me, which is the funny thing. Like, yeah, he'll show up like within half an hour of his account being created and then start spamming. I must just have pissed him off at some point. It is very weird though. Anyway, back to coding. Oh god, what was I doing? Oh, this, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make it so it's... I want AM, PM. Okay. I'm gonna indent all of this. Actually, if I just do... This should work fine, right? I think this will work. I can just indent it like this. And then I think it indents everything under it. Nice. Cool. And then... I will do, if hour is less than 13, then do all this. Oh, this stuff had not indented like I wanted it to. Okay. And but then if hour is greater than 13, this would be else. Then this will all be PM. Like so. And also there's not an instance where hour will be at this point greater than 10. So I don't need to check this. All I need to check is if minute is less. Because hour is always going to be less. I think that works. So yeah. I think that's fine. Let's see. Yep, I am. Yep, okay. Flicks over to that hour. Well, actually, when it turns to 12, would that be PM? Or that would be PM, right? Oh. Whoops. Okay. I know what I said, but I'm actually going to add that there. I'm going to put that there. then what? Minus, and then minus. Okay. If hour is less than, what would it be? 9, which would be 0. 10 would be 1. 11 would be 2. So if it's less than 2? No, that seems wrong. It's less than 3. Then do this. And then what? Minus 3, I think. And then let's just see how this works. I know it's not going to fully work. I just need to make sure the general thing is right. Of like the hours are at least correct. Okay, 10's broken. I'll fix that. All this is going to be slightly broken now. 11. Okay, I should remove 2, not 1. Yeah. And it should end at 5. I believe it should end at 5. Yep. Okay, cool. That's gonna end at 5. Dope. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this bit. I'm gonna get rid of the 0 in front of the hour. I'm not vibing with it. I'm gonna be honest. And then, yeah. And then get rid of it here as well. Okay, and then, see, this is gonna be weird because of 12 o'clock. What I could do is, if our plus 9 is greater than 11, then, time of day, Todd is equal to PM. Todd is equal to PM. And then else Todd is equal to AM. Equal to AM. That should be in like that. And then I just need to do var Todd is equal to string. Cool. And then here we just go Todd. Like so. And then I can delete this. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait, actually no, this is fine. I can still work with this. Yeah, that. I think. How does this work? Actually, that should be if that's greater than 4. Okay, I'm gonna test. No. It's equal to string. Okay, I'm just gonna do var's Todd. Does that work? Okay, 9. 10. 11. 12. Switch to PM. Perfect. And now it should go to 1. There you go. Done and dusted. Now that's going to keep going till 5. Three, 4, 5. Perfect. Perfecto. Gonna put a space on either side of those. I forgot to get rid of this. That should be plus Todd. Todd. Plus Todd. Save. And then if I go back to the actual thing, I want to do some slight fixes with this. Horizontal align right, vertical align center, 0, 0, colon, 0, 0, PM, I guess, PM, or is A bigger? A, okay, yeah, perfect, and now, I think I'm all good with this. Nope, why is it doing that? I set it to align right for a reason. Horizontal align right. There's a reason I wanted it to do that. Oh, is it because it's too small? It might be because it's too small. Okay, set this to 80. Let's see. Okay, hopefully it shouldn't move right, it should go left. Perfect. Don't think I moved a pixel. I'm just gonna wait till it switches to 1 to double check. I'm happy with that. Cool. That was a mess. Okay. Perfect, perfect. I should probably find a font to use, but that's for later. That's when I'm trying to make stuff look nice, which isn't right now. Cool, so we've got the time added, which is not something I needed to do. That was not a priority at all, but I just did it. It's something I just ended up doing. It didn't take too long. I spent like 45 minutes on it, maybe? I also set up all this global stuff here, so... yeah, it was just making it visually look fine. Which took a little longer than I thought it would, but hey, it looks good. Looks good, we'll say. Bum, ba, da, bum, 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 bum. Cool. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with that. Okay, what next on the agenda? Actually doing something, probably. Although I might leave that till the afternoon. I was planning to go till 12:30, but I've hit a good point, so I might end now, go get some food, and then I will come back at 1 instead of 1:30. Oh yes, you did mention it. Yes. Why not? I mean, it's only going to get hotter later in the day. Okay. Yeah, that's fun. I'm going to end for now here. I will see you all in an hour when we're continuing this and actually probably going to start making progress and actually doing stuff. But yes, no. I'll be back. I'll be back at 1. So yes, I will see you all then. See you in a bit.